Alright, so another video, another Samaniego upload. Normal na ba ito? Yung ano niya, yung upload. Let's watch.
Tangina, bading na naman. Naghahalikan pang puta. Bakit ba kasi kailangan pa ipangalandakan online to na bading kayo? Bibigyan niyo yung flowers ang isa't isa, maghahalikan kayo online, pakikita niyo pa sa mga bata na normal to. Hindi normal to. Sasabihin niyo naman, Dok, di mo ipigilan yan. Hindi ko pinipigilan, pinupuna ko lang eh. Galit ka ba sa bading? Hindi ako galit sa bading. Pinupuna ko yung gawain yung puro katarantaduhan na ganito. Ano ba? Normal to? Gagawin na natin normal to sa mga bata? Pakikita natin to, papost sa social media? Normal to? Ano, gagawin na natin normal to? Ito katarantaduhan na to? But sana kung kayo lang nakakita niya, pinapost nyo pa online, pagmamalaki nyo pa eh. O may pag-ibig kami, kahit bading kami, ito naghahalikan kami online, normal to. Tangina, panggatong lang kayo ni Satanas sa apoy niyang amaterasu eh. Panggatong lang kayo. Punching bag kayo malamang ng tatay niyo growing up. Kaya nagladadad ng ganito. Binababoy niyo yung society natin kahit hindi naman tama ito pinagagawa ninyo. Ang ina, laking katarantaduhan ito eh. Post pa kayo ng post online eh. Hindi na, alam niyo, nakakatuwa ito kaya pinupuna ko eh. Hindi ko mapipigilan to. Alam ko, lalaganap to pero hindi ko pipigilan pero pupunahin ko na pupunahin. Hanggang di kayo tumitigil, pupunahin ko na pupunahin. Alam niyo, etong araw to wala akong plano mag-content eh. Etong araw na to wala akong plano mag-content. Pero dahil nakita ko to, napabangon ako, nabila ako nag-content eh. Tarantado talaga itong mga bading ito, ayaw tumigil eh. Stupid gay-ass Pinoy niggas.
Alright, so i-unpack po natin yung mga sinabi niya. So, hindi ko masabayan yung energy niya, no? So, eto na lang. Yun. So, may naghalikan sa video, dalawang gay couple, obviously. And, yun. Naghalikan, nagbigay yung isa ng flowers, and nag-hug and nag-kiss. And that's the whole thing. And apparently, this was enough to trigger a full rant. How society is being ruined. So, tingnan natin yung complaint niya dito ha. So, first, yung sabi niya, tingnan niyo yung mga hayop na to. Hindi hayop siguro yung sinabi niya, but itong mga to, naghahalikan pa online. So, news po, people kiss. Straight couples kiss. Nasa movie, sa TV, saan pa? Social media, sa TikTok, in public, may mga tawag doon, public display of affection, PDA, yan. So, everywhere. It's a normal thing. Nobody makes a video freaking out about it. Wala man nag-freak out about advertisements, about couples kissing in public. So the real question is simple. If this was a boy and a girl doing the exact same thing, gagawa ka ba ng video? If the answer is no, bakit ka naman ako magagawa ng video? Straight couples yun. Di, ang problema po dito is hindi po yung halikan. Ang problema po dito is that they are gay. And, okay, kung meron kang view nito, na gay sila, the problem is, you're trying to like, yung meron itong fallacy eh. May tawag na fallacy, nakalimutan ko lang. But, you are retracting kapag kinikriticize ka. So, for example, sasabihin mo, yun na nga sa video, hindi naman ako galit sa bading, hindi naman ako galit sa kanila, hindi naman ako nagki-criticize, hindi ko naman gusto, I'm not saying na they should stop, I'm just criticizing. So, kapag questionin ka, ang ibibigay mong version sa sarili mo is yung version na tolerant. But what really is happening is not you're not tolerant, you are hateful, and you hate gay people, and that's the whole thing about what you're doing in your videos. So the problem is that they are gay. That's that's the whole gist of your statement. Kasi wala namang problema ang halikan. it looks like yun yung problema na nakikita mo, na people are kissing and posting it in social media. You pretend that the problem is about the kissing and about it being put online kasi makikita ng mga bata. But the real issue here is that it's because they are gay. And let's explore that, no? Kasi okay lang naman na ganun yung pananaw mo. Let's explore it. So, let's explore it, and at the same time, do not pretend na hindi ikaw ito, no? Na sasabihin mo. Just say it na, yeah, I really see gay people as the problem. And own it or stand by it. Hindi yung palipat-lipat ka ng posisyon kapag inaatake ka na. So yun. Let's establish that you think the problem is the gay people. Okay, let's put that down. Now, sinabi mo first is, ayun, yun na nga, naghahalikan pa tong mga katarantadong ito. Yun na nga. So, yun na nga. Next is, yun, pinopromote nyo talaga ito, ina-advertise nyo talaga. Proud pa kayo. So, yun. Again, wala namang ganito yung klase yung reaction kapag someone, a boy and a girl, is doing the kissing online or in public, di ba? Hindi mo naman siguro ginagawa ng video. Wala namang ganito ang klase yung galit at yun na nga, hate when someone posts engagement photos or wedding photos. So, straight people show their relationships online constantly. So when you say, stop advertising or stop promoting that you're gay, what you really mean is, hindi ako komportable na nakikita ang mga bakla na nagsushow ng affection in public. That's what you're really saying. Hindi ako komportable. And hindi naman yan neutral na criticism eh. Ang tawag po dyan is double standard. Okay, let's list that another problem with your content. So, double standard po yung sa inyo. And then, ito yung classic na panic mo din, na pinapakita mo to sa mga bata, making it normal. Are you really saying that honestly? You being afraid of what kids might see, and at the same time your content is full of hateful and nag-arouse ka ng galit sa kapwa, nagta-target ka ng mga specific groups of people na i-hate for simply being them, for simply existing without doing any harm to you. They're just doing things for themselves, showing affection for each other. Really, yun yung kinakatatakutan mo, na magiging normal ang kabaklaan, and hindi ka natatakot na magiging normal ang isang hateful na tao online and in public. So, and aside that, kids naman, if you're afraid, let's go back to your point na natatakot ka na may naghahalikan online kasi makikita ng mga bata. Kids already see affection between straight couples literally everywhere. Movies, TV, even sa cartoons may mga, hindi naman siguro passionate kissing, pero kiss na dito sa cheek or sa forehead. Even sa parents nila, nakikita nila na nagkikiss, showing affection, no? Weddings, sumasali naman yung mga bata sa weddings. May you kiss the bride, yung mga ganun. And advertisements. No one claims that's corrupting children. No one claims that. But suddenly, two boys hugging and kissing once is some kind of a social emergency na. Guys, nakakatakot ng mga ganitong mga nangyayari. Ganun na. Social emergency talaga. The problem isn't that kids might see affection. The problem is that you don't want them to see gay people existing, as if they don't exist at all. Gay people don't exist. Kaya it makes sense na ang affection nila shouldn't exist as well. Their true affection for each other shouldn't exist. Do not show your affection in public. That's what you're saying. So yeah. So hindi okay lang openly nagso-show ng affection ng mga straight couples, but you don't want them to see gay couples existing openly. Apo. And then you proceed on saying na hindi ko naman sila ini-stop, I'm just criticizing them, sabi mo. Okay lang din naman yung criticism eh. That's what I'm doing right now in your video, no? So, eto din yung criticism. Nagta-target ito ng ideas or behaviors. What you're doing here is calling people names. Tarantado, ano pa yun, mga masusunog sila sa impyerno, ng amaterasu, sinishame mo sila for existing. Hindi naman yun criticism, diba? Harassment po yun. Hinaharas po nyo po yung mga tao. Sinishame nyo po sila. Mga tao po sila na may mga pamilya, may mga parents, may mga sisters. You have 17,000, 21,000 likes on that video. I'm sure people saw it. So they're people too, and they'd probably be harassed. They're probably being harassed right now, calling them names. No po. I'm sure you're receiving that as well. You don't deserve it. Pero yun nga po, if you are in fear of showing this to kids and making it normal, you are doing the harmful thing actually. Kasi nagpromote ka ng hate instead of love. Yun po. So, sabi mo din, gawin mo na lang yan privately. Yun yung problema ko eh. Ginawa ninyo in public eh. Yun yung sinabi mo yun. And it's funny again that this rule never applies to straight couple. No, wala namang nagsasabi na itago nyo yung relationship niyo in public and doon nyo lang gawin yung affection nyo in private. Wala namang sinasabing ganoon sa mga straight couples, di ba po? Normal lang naman na mag-holding hands ang babae at lalaki, nag-kiss in public. Kaya if the rule only applies to one group of people, then hindi about modesty ang pinag-uusapan mo. It's about trying to erase the gay people from public life. People that actually exist, you want them not to exist. Just hide there in the corner. Let us straight couples do these things. Diba? Yun pa, sinabi mo, yun na nga. You'll burn in hell. Di naman argument yun. That's just religious intimidation. Not everyone believes in your version of hell. And kapag nang threat ka ng tao with eternal torture because of who they love, di naman yun moral argument. It's just a fear-based na control. Kaya, alright, so yun po, finally, let's end this video. I won't end this with slurs and insults. But, ito po, ito po yung reality. Two people showing affection harms absolutely no one. Harms absolutely nobody. Two people kissing doesn't harm you, doesn't harm anybody, doesn't harm kids. Two people kissing, that is why it is normal in TV, normal for our parents to do, normal for society. But you teaching others that it's normal, you are normalizing actually to be hateful and to say na they deserve insults, hatred, and threats, ikaw po yung mismong harm sa society. Huwag mong katakutan po yung mga bakla kasi they're not harming anyone. I mean, there are harmful gay people, of course. I'm not saying that all of them are saints. I'm just saying na kissing, showing affection and love to others is not harmful to society. You throwing insults, saying that a certain group of people deserve insults, hatred and threats, you are the problem. You actually harm society.